John's Manufactory.
You know, quick little update here. I'm working on getting this here dash pad in. You can see that the screw is inboard of where the original was. So that means I'll probably have to do some die grinding of this hole here in order to get this to fit. As you can see, this one looks a lot better. Let's see, problems. Well, not really problems. Just be aware it doesn't come with any of the holes. So these notches where the screws go through the molding, they're not there. It wasn't trimmed on this front edge, so it had actually quite a bit of material hanging out this front edge, which kept it from fitting right. And these holes for the speakers right here were not there either. Been working on this dash pad a bit, just trying to clean it up. This is the original one, using some Armor All products on it. Compared to what it was, it looked pretty good. I mean, if you were into a Survivor deal, that is really close to the original sheen of the thing. It's still not quite right down here on the end, but you know, not bad considering. I am definitely going to save this one. I put the plates in there with the mounting screws for what is it now, 56 years. It's looking pretty good.
I have installed the dash pad. Different sheen than the original, but looks pretty good.
A little side project. A friend of mine lost an axle on his 58 driving to the coast, so hey, we tackled it and got her done.
Well, there it is. It's not screwed in yet, but everything has been reworked. I replaced the little blue caps over the lighting bulbs so that it'll have its, it'll be all factory color and everything I'll show you. I've been experimenting with lighting.
My brother had given me a brand new bezel probably 20 years ago, and it's a good darn thing because I dropped mine original one and busted it. Okay, so looking at LED lights, you can see this. Just the light is just focused in this little tiny area, so it just doesn't light the instrument cluster very well. There's a bright spot and it's dim, like you can't even read the odometer. I didn't like this at all. There's the incandescent, man. That's what I ended up going with. See, trying it on the... Didn't look bad in the oil pressure gauge, but still, I like the incandescent better. And here's a shot of the dash finished.
Well, so in goes the steering column, I hope. I'm going to give it a college try here. I haven't got the speedo cable up where it belongs yet. Let's see, that hole goes down. So it just slides on like so. Goes through the gasket at the bottom. Just like that. Onto the steering box. Gonna make it. Nope, not yet. I gotta get the... There we go. Okay, come on. Doesn't want to... At this point, it's not wanting to slide on the steering column or on the steering box.
Yeah, I was hung up on the felt washer I put on the top of the box there.
I didn't put this on, so let's see if I can make that work, huh? Got the studs in there already. Come on. Do one side, do the other. There, that's one side. And that side's got to go up. So this side can go down. There it is. And then this goes on next. Just like that. Except I need the nuts. Yeah. And get some nuts down here. Welcome to Don's Manufactory. I put the cross member underneath, put the springs in, and am dropping the car down onto its feet for the first time in, oh, I don't know, 6 months or so, since I painted the doors anyway. And I'm going to get it out and clean up. You know, doing that rear end just leaves a lot of mess. The floor gets really dirty and I'm tracking junk into the house. That's what I'm doing today. I'm just getting her on the ground and getting her out. So, hey, thanks for watching. Alright, see how much. So when I did the alignment on the car, I only guessed at the ride height. And so I haven't checked anything. This is the first time it's been on the ground with the new suspension setup, with the Shelby drop and everything. So I'm just going to measure right here. Well, here, let's put you back down so you can see. So I'm going to measure between the ball joint and the snubber, and we'll see exactly where it wound up. Okay, it's at 3.5 inches. Grab this. I just want to get a look at the underside of the car just to see what the subframe looks like in relationship to the ground. Oh yeah, that is way more ground clearance than it used to have. I do mean way. Although right now we are looking at, I don't need that much. Okay, 13.25. And it's only 13 3/8 back here. So it's only got 1/8 of an inch of rake.
And so I'll end it here with a little tidying up and the neighborhood car alarms going off, and oh well. That's my news for today. Somebody's dinging me on my phone, and I'll talk to you later.